Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to transfer your any cryptocurrency to your Wax account, which is this. So in this case, I'm doing a tutorial from Binance going to the Wax wallet. So I'm using a Litecoin as well on this tutorial because Litecoin is more cheaper to do a transfer. So two ways you can actually convert Litecoin to your any cryptocurrency here. The first one, you can just convert it straightforward from the Litecoin. So from here you can just select um your your coin going to Litecoin. Right. So if you put max, it will automatically calculate for you. So anyways, that's the first one. I'm not quite sure why this one takes a while to load. And the second one is from here. This is actually the classic trading platform. So what you can do in Binance is like a select the TRX from here, convert it to there's no straight conversion here. So from USDD you can actually decide how much amount you can sell this. But since I'm want to convert this one as SF is I just use the conversion. So let me just create here my TRX and going to Litecoin. So let me try to put max previous conversion. So this is how much money I can get by converting that particular coin. So please go. Okay. Let me try to refresh this one again because you need to be fast actually in order for you to convert because as you can see the cryptocurrency pricing skip fluctuate. So yep, I'll just refresh this and just proceed straight forward. Convert this. Then all right, successfully converted. So in order for you to double confirm this, just go to your fiat and spot. Then from here you can see instead of TRX, I do have a Litecoin now. So the total amount of value on this particular coin is 324. So now what I'm going to do is to transfer this to my Wax wallet as Wax coin. So WaxP coin. All right. So in order for you to do that, what you can do, you need to actually convert this here using the Wax conversion. So I'll just leave the description in my description, this link below. So this is how you actually do your swapping and sending your coin to the Wax or convert your coin to the Wax. So floating rate, all right. So in this particular you send okay, this is actually a Litecoin since we just converted our coin to Litecoin, and this is to convert directly from Wax P. All right, so just get the exact amount of Litecoin you have. In my case, I do have 2.6. Here, I'll just put maximum here. Then this is how much wax I can get. So in the recipient, you can actually just get your ID. Well, you can just copy and paste this and go back to swap, just ID, then exchange. So once this one is done, it will give you a new ID. This is actually your new ID from your Wax. Take note that this might takes keep changing every time you do a transaction. This is only a one-time ID, so just take note on that. So once you've copied this, go back to your Binance account and just withdraw this amount. So the coin will be the Litecoin, address will be this one, and I'll just put maximum from here, then withdraw. Continue. All right, so now I need to do some verification code. Let me get back to you on this. Let me get my phone outside. All right, guys. Sorry about that. So I just did my verification for three of my security thing. So yeah, I just send my transaction on this. So okay, let me explain what this thing do. So just now I actually convert my coin to 1p here. Right. So once the coin I just sent will receive on the simple swap, automatically he will convert this to the WAMP coin, right? So once he converted this, then he will send to my ID, which is this recipient. So as you can see here, it's still waiting to receive my coin. If I go to back to my Binance account, once you've click completed here, it's supposed to be fast one actually. So you can verify here in depth what's going on to the withdrawal. So let me just check. Okay. All right. As you can see here, confirmation at least need to be one first. Once it actually stated one here, then definitely will go through uh really fast one. So yep, let's wait for a bit here. Let me try to pause instead the video because I believe it takes a few minutes more, so I don't want to waste your time actually. So I'll just let me just pause and continue once I've received this process. All right, so right now in my Binance I saw it's actually confirmation. Let me just try to refresh this. Right, so basically it was completed here. So when we go here, it's actually following the process already. So basically what this thing do, right? He actually received the coin, confirming then exchange for me from Litecoin to one WAXP coin. So now the exchange was successfully done. So now he's actually sending the coin to my account, which is going here. Let me try to refresh. There you go. So right now I do have my balance 2,594. Meaning that this successfully completed as well. So this simple swap application, they do have of course a cat for the transaction fee, but um the one I don't bother since I need to use the this Wex to my game. So yeah, hopefully this help you guys in order for you to swap your coins via Binance going to this wallet Wexp, and enjoy guys for playing games. Thanks and God bless all.